Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 5.4 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the section Sound and Vibration. Let's enter. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see right here we've got again Sound and Vibration section, and we've got the ringtone at the very top. We've got two different ringtones for the first and the second SIM card. It is because that you can use two different SIM cards, so you can divide the ringtones actually between them. So let me show you how to change the ringtone. I will pick, for example, the first SIM card, and as you can see, after tapping on it, you will be transferred, or actually this kind of window will pop out with all defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. What's more, at the very top we've got the option None, and after picking it, your device will simply not notify you by using the sound feedback about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option Add Ringtone, and thanks to this, after tapping on this, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded from the internet, and if they will be compatible, they will appear right here. Of course, here you can change the folders also, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options here, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example this one, and as you can hear, you can check all of them. You can pick whichever you want to, which is the best for you. And let's pretend that I want to set this Lyra option. So all I have to do is to simply make sure that it is marked, like here, and tap on OK. And as you can see, it will be immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call, of course, from the first SIM card. So basically, that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your SONY Xperia 5.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.